have a special Louology tip. And this is from Rachel Scott again. She inspired me again. She wrote in chat, Allergan is difficult. I learned that Botox is, you make the least amount of money on Botox of all the neurotoxins. And people are telling me if you get COVID, some people are building up tolerance to Botox, but Dysport's working for them. And I think that you can make a lot more margin on Dysport. So, you know, if you run into, and I think I understand, I'm sure Rachel will be in touch, but I think I understand that, especially when a company's been around that long, sometimes it is more difficult to work with them, especially if you're not a huge account. But you go to those up and comers, do your research, because a lot of them are just as good. Can't even tell the difference, right, Lou? Is that correct?
Yeah. In fact, the latest and greatest neurotoxin is the newest kid in the block. The number 2 person in the world for Allergan, he's a friend of mine. His name's David Mozzetti. He left the company. He took a company public called Evolus. Their product is called Jevaue. They call it like the new tox, because tox is kind of a nickname for toxin, like Botox, neurotoxins. And you could buy that for like $4 a unit instead of buying Allergan product for $6.25 a unit, which is a 50% discount. It's like, and I've had it in my own face, exact same result. It's like Coke and Pepsi. So, and then there's fillers out there like called Versa. We just brought in Versa. I can pay $125 a syringe instead of $300, and it works just as good. It's just not a brand name, but it's up and coming. They're doing $300 million a year, and there's no. So again, yeah, it's nice to get familiar with all these things, but you want to think of profit margins also, like Erica's saying.
Yeah, so we have those listed in the resources section of Louology too.